What's next for your team along this train of thought here? What are the next experiments or findings that you're looking to do to build on this?
Yeah, so as I said that you know we are uh, doing studies right now with CBG and CBC. So those studies are getting on because the key thing is to find out that what is the mechanism here, right?
Right.
And how they are working so well. So we are looking into various mechanisms as to how do they work and what are the various combinations we can use, and also looking at the marketplace that what drugs are being used in the clinic, like they use gemcitabine and they are using paclitaxel. So to see that which is the right combination of chemo. Gemcitabine is a great drug. It works very well, and we like it. So I think so we want to, and then also test them on organoids to get more organoid data
Hmm.
because the community accepts more organoid data, and we have organoids in the lab which we want to do, and then also right now we are using mice, NSG mice or nude mice, but we want to go into humanized mice. So they
Hmm.
are more, and in the humanized mice, you can show more of the immune therapy. We feel that there is an immune therapy component with cannabinoids, which is undiscovered. So they knock down PD-L1. We've seen it consistently in all tumors. So there is, and if we combine not with chemo, but with a PD-L1 antibody or the PD-1 antibody, maybe much more successful. So these are the various territories we want to encourage because everybody now wants to treat a patient of cancer with immune therapy because that's safer and it helps the body's own immune system to kick in and
Hmm.
then get to work. So, and then, to combine this with our exosome therapy, which we have developed in the lab. So we have different directions we're going. And of course, we need money for that. And for that, we need grants for that. So that's why we have to keep on pitching our ideas. And now, since there is some changes at the classification of
Right.
no, cannabinoids now it is in level 3, right? So maybe there'll be more interest in putting money into research for this, and that has been one of the biggest challenge for me. I mean, on the sidebar, we are doing a phase 1 clinical trial
Oh,
with cannabinoid formulations for neuropathy. And right now, it is ongoing now, and we are looking for patients right now. It's ongoing. So they are. So I would like to see a clinical trial being done with this, and maybe a year or two from now, as we have more data. So I hope there's interest in that area, and there is some support in that area. So I very believe that cannabinoids have a lot of untouched potential in cancer.
right.
People are talking about pain and sleep and anxiety. That is cool. But I think this is really where we can save lives and give them better lifespan, which is not there right now for especially pancreatic cancer or triple negative breast cancer, which I presented last year. So, and then the other cancers too, the rare cancers, so which I haven't tried yet. So I think the potential is quite tremendous, and we just have to go step by step, I
Right.
guess.
Well, lots of different combinations to try.
Yeah, no, but I think at this point we can narrow down to the few key cannabinoids which work very well. We know CBD works, CBG works, CBC works. So these are the key cannabinoids which we can work with and combine that with some other, say, immune therapy or
Hmm.
some chemotherapy. So that we don't have too many drugs. We want to keep the drugs to be not too many because there has to be a patient has to also be taken into consideration its
Yeah.
tolerance level and its acceptability and stuff like that. So, and maybe we can make a formulation of CBC and CBG combination as an oral, dispersion, which is very well absorbed. That's also we are doing now. That we have developed a lipid-based formulation strategy which could give you higher oral absorption. We
Hmm.
we we learned this from our oral exosomes we made. and those lipids we are using to make this. So we are trying to make it in a way that we can have it more acceptable to the patient. So we are working on that angle too, how to have oral formulation of these combinations. So and the
Excellent.
ratios. So